Oh boy. Oh boy. Are you riding?
Yeah, you.
Are you riding?
Yeah. Making sure you can get your bike out, mate.
Oh my god, look at it.
5 o'clock.
Oh my god, look at it.
I've just took 2 inches of snow off here.
Have you? Oh my god. Flipping heck. What on earth is my cat doing under this bed? What are you doing? Oh, you found a new toy? Yeah. Is it my slipper? Good talk. Righty here, my new Fortnite video's got 48 minutes reloading. Nope, uploading. Oh, the weather's looking perfect. My dad's cleaned up the drive so I can get the Defender out. And you might be like, Tom, the Defender should be able to get out anyway. It can drive in the snow. It can, but honest to God, Mount Kilimanjaro is still too steep to the point where it loses grip and nearly falls off. So, as fun as this snow looks, it's like a death trap down here because it's slate. It doesn't really stick that well. And it's got like a slippy surface on it, so it's just an absolute death trap. But, ooh, oh shit, it's gonna go through my shoes. Didn't think about that one, but oh boy, all terrain. Defender time. Oh, I've not started her up in a minute. She's still working. Oh, she's still working. She's rocking. She's rolling. I'm sorry I've not had you out sooner, but I'm glad that the moment I get in you, it's snowing. So let's go to the office. Let's say hello to the fam, and let's see what's popping. I don't know if they've seen my hair this long yet. Or my paedophile moustache. Hi. Oh, what the fuck? You know, a really nice picture of me, my sister, my grandma, my granddad, the family, my grandma and granddad, and then me and a random baby. What?
Well, I think it was when you were on your trip.
Yeah, it's a nice touch, definitely. It's nice for the person, but that's a bit of a random one. So did the diet just go out the window then?
I've not had any Toblerone.
Oh, you haven't?
What diet?
So you've had all the Toblerone to yourself?
It's the first piece I've had that.
I had a piece.
First piece.
Don't touch it with your dirty fingers.
I've just got out of the shower. What are you wearing?
You going back up?
Where have you been for a hike?
Hey.
Where have you been for a hike?
By the time I leave my gaff, your gaff rather, you never know what the weather's going to be like. I couldn't have a day before, I was like a white snowman, wasn't I?
Alice prepared for the weather. Ken prepared for the weather.
She'll be coming borrowing all this gear, right?
Oh, look at this, a box from who?
I don't know.
Nelamo. Let me read it. What? No!
Nello.
Okay. Hello,
You guess what it is,
Nelamo.
yeah? Ta-da! Oh!
What? No! Is this a kit for my phone? No way. It's quite big. Whoa, it's made out of metal. Bloody hell, that's a piece of kit. Whoa. Who sent it me? Do we have a name? Someone sent me a wide angle kit for my iPhone.
No.
Oh, I might start using this all the time. Well, I said I was going to use it all the time, but I've just realised I don't think this is for an iPhone.
Phone camera lens kit.
I don't think it's for an iPhone.
Yeah, it is. You see, we've got Apple on the back of it.
Yeah, but no, but I don't think it's for this iPhone.
Oh, I'll let them. Thank you.
Well, thanks. It's good to be going back through the PO Box stuff. Who was it from? James Lee, thanks for the titty glass collection, girl. Dude, my house is going to look so absurd. A Tenerife titty glass. Yeah. Oh. I didn't realise. I had a little bow tie at the back. Very nice.
Yeah.
I love this scarf. It matches my jumper.
Lydia bought you a nice scarf.
Lydia bought you a scarf. Mum bought you. Alice bought you a scarf. Is Reese answering the phone yet?
Oh, that's her. Reese!
Hello?
Hello, is that Reese? We need Reese.
Reese!
Reese! Oh my
Reese,
God,
it's Syndicate! Reese, it's Syndicate! Wait, Reese, is this you?
It is, yeah.
This is Reese who we kidnapped in the camper van, right?
Yeah.
Quick, grab the photo. Reese,
Have you got
we
blonde
finally got the photo signed. My mum's had it all this time when we've got it.
Oh my goodness, class, that's awesome.
Right, mate, I need to put you back onto my mum so we can get you a dress so we can ship it back out to you.
Is he still at...
Well,
Right, okay.
He sounds really nice.
he's awesome. He's such an awesome lad.
Do you want the frame back with the photo?
Of course he does.
Just anything at all.
Oh,
He's so
you know what?
polite.
Send that guy some
I'll
swag.
Tell you what, I'll send you a
What?
swag
Wait, what? No,
sticker
what
as
t-shirt?
well.
No, give him a t-shirt.
Oh,
We're sending you a t-shirt. Right, ask him. Reese!
What size are you?
Reese, what shirt do you want and what size?
No, what size do you want? We know what shirt you're having.
You
You
sludge,
sludge.
sorted. Reese, thank you for bearing with you, man. We'll send you a shirt, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate you, buddy. Set of photos that we need to return to the
we're looking
owner.
for a missing person. If you are the owner of this, Please will you get in touch with us at www.syndicateoriginal.com.
Yeah. Wait, what? They want to go to the website to buy a shirt and then tell us where they get it from?
No, sorry, if you go on the contact us page on the website,
Yes.
tell us
Okay,
that
yeah,
you're
if this is
guy,
you
we'll
watching the
send-
vlog,
Got
can you
all
please
this-
get in touch with us and prove that it's you and we'll send you the photos back?
I
Thank
lost
you.
your address, I'm really sorry.
Oh. Wait, you've had that since the old offices?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, you guys do such a good job here. Speaking of jobs, ladies and gentlemen, we've got some new swag coming out. Ooh. Alice, what have we called it?
The Alice t-shirt. Oh, no,
Alright,
this is...
but
this-
really?
this-
Okay.
this-
Oh yeah, that's the Alice t-shirt. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the brand new shirt that we're dropping soon. I really wanted to go for like
It's
a
called
coat of arms.
Red.
Yeah, this is called Coat of Arms Red Preview.jpg photos. But this is the coat of arms that we're currently going for. I like it party hard, explore everything, and adventure everywhere. I love it! I absolutely love it. I really like the front as well. That looks really good. When's it coming out?
Insomnia!
Oh, is it?
62!
Oh, it really drops there. Ooh. Speaking of which, if you guys are not yet going to Insomnia 62, make sure you're going because...
We're going!
We're going to Insomnia. I'll put a link down in the descriptions if you guys want to go or you haven't got your tickets yet. If you use the code I62 Syndicate, you can get yourself 10% off. We're signing a bunch of these
I'll
and
be
putting
there.
them out with
Carl over
orders.
there.
So
Carl over there.
so if for
Carl
some
over
reason
there.
you're one of the strange people that confused me by wanting to collect these, because some people go to every show and I sign some of these in orders. If you order anything between now and Insomnia, you're gonna get one of these potentially
Potentially, yeah.
signed
We're going to
in
give
your
them out
order.
random.
So
You've
yeah,
not told who's going, that they haven't seen for a long, long time.
who's going?
India!
Oh, is she?
Yeah, just like all the time.
Is Carl?
Yeah!
Ah! The whole family's going.
So yeah, well, I'm going to get force Tom to sign all of these, there's loads of them. Maybe even more stacks. And then if you order anything between now and Insomnia, and I like your face, and you put a nice note on your order, I might send you one.
I need a small box.
And that's when Alice goes, please bring me chocolate to Insomnia. Wait, is it Easter weekend?
Yeah.
Oh god, last time we got so many chocolate eggs, it was mad. We really appreciate it.
Yeah,
But I really, it was a funny meme. It was good for a while. Like Alice had these rare biscuits.
See how many I've got in a box in the kitchen?
Let's have a look. Wait, someone sent more?
No,
Or is this
my
just
secret stash.
is this your collection? Oh, do you remember when I used to hide these from you? You used to go mad. Now you don't even care if I steal them. Oh my god. There's the just move the fucking Toblerone out the way. You still got that many? Are you even
Like
kidding
from
me?
last year.
Yeah, we appreciate it, but we don't need any more lemon biscuits. All right? And can we tell people about this now? When are we gonna do this?
Soon.
Can I show a little bit of it?
Do what you want with it.
This was obviously in the talks last year quite a lot, but we got really busy with other stuff. But ladies and gentlemen, hand signed, mad, insane quality. We've literally looked through so many different companies to get the best quality poster we can. Limited edition gold posters of The Life's Too Short, make the most of it posters. What? Yeah, I'm not supposed to show too much. Are coming soon, like really soon, and I'm gonna hand sign every single one of them to the point that this isn't where you just stick it up the wall. Not my signature, I mean just the saying. You gotta frame this shit. We're not selling it with frames because we don't know how to ship frames. But get yourself a frame when these drop, and I want to see it on the wall everywhere. Boom. As soon as I know more information, I'll let you know. Question for you. Question for you. What do you think of the hair?
Flat.
Long and flat. What do you
Flat
think?
white, no.
Do you prefer spiky?
Yeah.
What do you
You're
prefer?
25 years old, for goodness sake, Neil.
What?
Not flipping 42.
I bought it, let's have a look.
Probably not like an amazing example
Should we
or
go
whatever,
for hair
but
makeup?
like it.
Can I come?
All it is it just combed over, and it. Do you know how nice it is to wake up every day and not have to spike up your hair?
Well, you haven't done a
Like I should get it like trimmed and stuff. And by the way, also, do I look like a paedophile with this mustache and
You
beard?
do a bit, yeah.
Alice,
You look like
should I keep the
you
sideburns?
look like one of them
you should.
mafiosa drug dealers. Like,
I just really
Apple
know it.
West.
You know, just notice, yeah, like because this one was like perfectly there, but then that one was doing missing, and then like the beard and mustache doesn't
You
grow
know,
in fully.
sprayed
So
in, you know.
I'm not getting me mustache sprayed on, woman. No, I'm not in Hong Kong, and I don't get to eat dim sum every damn day, which was a pleasure, by the way. I'm now back to just ham and cheese sandwiches, boosted bars, and not a Monster, not a Coca-Cola, not a Lucozade or anything like that. Just a water. I'm riding in an hour, so I think I'd like to be fresh. What a lovely day outside it is. Alright, that'll solve that problem, and now I can play some Fortnite. Yeah. Oh, mate, I've done the math pretty bad on this. This is where I fall on my bike, I swear. This is where I die. This is where I die. I'm riding on my pedal bike in the snow. But I've done the math so poorly here. Oh, dress myself. I look massive. because I've got a t-shirt on, a thermal, right? My biking jersey, a hoodie and a coat to keep me warm. But what have I got on my legs? Massive snowstorm, nothing, a pair of shorts. Yeah, I didn't think about that one, did I? I look so special. Look, I managed to put my hood over my helmet to keep my ears nice and warm because my ears were freezing. But it is so ice cold out. But look how beautiful the sky is. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I've not yet crashed and I'm currently trying to find my dad. I'm trying to catch up with him. So if I think I keep riding this way, I should find him. This is legit my dad's trail. I went that way before looking for him and I couldn't find a bike path of, bike tracks. So I was like, he must have gone this way, and it turns out he has done. Let's go find him! This is why my dad's a legend. He said he'd meet me here, but he's not here, so he kept going so I can catch up. And he wrote Tom in the floor with an arrow pointing that way. Hey, look how red my face is. Yeah, hey, I tell you what, I was going the entire way, my ears were freezing, and I just took myself into my hood, and it fell in, and I was like, oh, my ears are perfect. However, these knees though, look how red they are. Did you put them knee back pads out for me?
Yeah.
I thought you did. I was like, I might put them on because they'll keep me warmer. But to be honest, when I ride in the cold, I don't really feel it on my legs.
But you will do later on in your life. You get arthritis.
What, from the cold?
Yeah. It knackers your joints.
Oh God, didn't know that.
So you don't be doing it.
But how gorgeous is it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. The sun's going down over there, but how long do you reckon it's going to snow for?
3 days.
Really? Wow. Flipping heck.
A bit more.
Imagine if I lived up here.
South,
Defend the territory, boys. Defend the territory. We've made it to our turning point. It's certainly getting colder now. Proper in the snow, snow cloud, Dad? Cloud? We're in the snow cloud. So all this snow here now, looks like it's coming in. We're kind of in it. Ken's doing a photo shoot with the bikes. Ooh, suits you, sir. But look at the contrast. Blech, nasty. Blech. So then over there, just absolute gorgeous sunset. Winter's coming, boys. And it's going to be a freeze. Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh, I've taught him well. I actually got up here in the perfect time because a second ago we could see down there. You can only just see those lights now, but before we could see it all. And now it's gone, so we got to start heading away. Look, the snow's coming in sideways. Come on, man.
No, it's alright.
Yeah. Not really.
No,
Alright then, on your bike, lad. Let's get rocking and rolling. Next up, the pub. Oh, you can actually see it well on camera as well. Oh, mate, I'm still we're in a proper snowstorm. Look, it looks so good without the torch. Look, that's what it looks like. What? Okay. Oh shit! Look, I stood on ice. Like the storm truly came from behind us. And it's just going absolutely crazy. It's actually kind of difficult to see, to be honest. Because, oh my God, oh, there's water on my legs. It's actually really difficult to see because my torch here is lighting up the snow in front of my face. As I'm riding, I literally just can't see anything, so it's kind of difficult. Oh, hello there. Hopefully I won't crash into you as I'm saying I can't see anything. Should disappear. Look, they're almost gone already. Hello. Oh, here he comes. Riding through the snow. It's Ken on his bicycle. He's riding through the snow. He's just waiting for them to open the gate for him. Yeah, I really can't feel my knees now, Dad. I definitely can't feel those bad boys. Yo, I nearly bailed into my dad. We were coming down a path and it got dead icy. I didn't want to tap on my brakes, but he slowed down, so I nearly crashed into it. Do I look like a... Yeah. Does this look like something magical?
You're like an ice man now.
Yeah, look at all the snow that's now starting to set on me. Tell you what, I'm glad I brought my coat. I almost didn't bring my coat. Whew! This is like something out of Narnia. Look at the lights. This. I truly feel like I'm in like a magical movie. You know, with the gates and the walls and the lights. I really feel like I'm in Narnia. Look at how the snow's stuck to the hairs on my legs. Look at those legs.
Oi.
Look at it.
Well, hang on a minute. So, man's ride.
Yeah, where were you? Man's ride.
I was sledging.
Mate, we got back perfect timing, man. My fingers are freezing. It's cold out there. I built a snowman on my head. I didn't even realise. Have you seen that? Oh my God, radiator is love. Radiator is life. You know I had all that snow on my helmet. Sorry. Yep, it's there. It's melted all there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. How's it going to be wet? Oh no! Oh, it's soaked. Oh, that's nasty. It's so nasty. All right, so you know I've been like, oh, it's Defender weather, it's Defender weather. Well, it turns out it is Defender weather because Lydia's stuck down at her mum's house and she can't get up here because her car is obviously blocked in. Now, I need to use this device here to, let me show you, scrape this thick layer of top snow like that off my entire drive, you know, over on Mount Kilimanjaro. Because if I don't, and I just attempt to drive straight up my drive, I'll most likely fall off the edge because the snow will compact and I'll fall off the edge. So what I've got to do is clear this thickness of snow from all the way off this drive, the entire way on the front of the drive, so I can go and get Lydia. Then drive up it and hopefully be okay. That's how steep my drive is. Yeah. Mission goddamn impossible. Whew. An hour later, seriously, it took me an hour to clear that. Oh, 45 minutes. 45 minutes later, I've moved the snow off the drive to the best of my ability. I've thrown the rest of the salt that we had down. I'm now going to attempt to drive my Defender out of it and hopefully I don't go off the edge. And if you're like, Tom, it's a Defender, it should be able to. Last time I went up that hill with even a little bit of snow on it, it lost grip and started sliding as it was going up the hill in 4x4 mode off into the trees or nearly into my house. The only way we survived and didn't go crashing off that's like a 5-foot drop there, by the way. The reason why we didn't go crashing is because my dad ran over with this piece of wood. This is the new one, the other one we broke, and he shoved it underneath my tyre. And my car found grip and then managed to get out. It's now even colder, even icier. You should be like, don't even bother, but Lydia needs rescuing, so I've got to try. So if this is, let's take a good look. I know I shouldn't even be saying this for camera reasons, but this is the Defender in all its glory. Let's hope it survives. All right, first things first. Wait, back windscreen wiper, not necessary. Heated windows, heated front, heated back, yes please. Let's move a bit more of the snow. Ooh, icy, but I can still see out of it okay. Warm the engine up a little bit, take this e-brake, take the parking brake off and attempt to get up that hill, removing my safety glasses. Let's do this. If we're gonna fail, might as well get it on camera, right? Okay. Here we go. Oh shit, it fucking fell sideways. Oh, walk it out, don't fall apart. Alright. Parking brake off. Alright, let's get it into position. Let's put it into 4x4 mode. Make sure I do this right. It actually goes in. Alright, how do we get it in there again? Alright, neutral, up, and in. Alright, we're in 4x4 mode. Let's line it up. And let's pray for the best. No to slipping. Thank you very much. Alright, are we gripping? Oh shit, phone's gone. Oh shit, look, where's my fucking phone gone? What are you doing, you daft bastard? You fucking fell. Well, I managed to get up it. I think I did a pretty good job of clearing that snow out, but mate, look at the road. A pretty goddamn gnarly road. And yeah, it's pretty much all snowy and icy, so even though I'm in my 4x4, I'm still gonna take my time. I can't believe I rescued Lydia from the despairs of a frozen road. Lydia, where's your mobile phone? Where's your mobile phone, Lydia? Where's your phone? Where's your mobile phone? Where's your mobile phone? Where is it? I just drove, risking my life to save you.
Now you have to risk your life to save my mobile phone. I blame you because you stressed me out and you were like so angry, and then you said like, I'll be outside, so I came rushing out.
It's 2018. It's 2018. Who doesn't take their phone with them?
What film are you doing here? Please, can I show you this back?
Sure. Maybe the angle on my camera wasn't necessarily the best.
I made sure you all saw the best bits there. I directed the camera.
It was at this moment that Tom's mouth salivated. Oh my gosh. Marks and ham sandwich. Marks and Spencer's salt and pepper chicken. You'll just lay there like that, relaxed. Meanwhile, the cats are having panic attacks.
Why though?
Hello? 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 Well, yes, I'm on a train. And if you can tell, this eyebrow is darker than this eyebrow. It's because Lydia decided to do some makeup on me on the train. So you'll see that in tomorrow's vlog. But I have to go now because I'm going down to London to do another Make-A-Wish. So Callum, if you're watching this vlog right now, I've probably already seen you by now, so it was a pleasure, and hopefully everything went smoothly and I met you because we almost missed the train because we couldn't get to the train station because the weather was so bad. But nonetheless, thank you very much for watching today's vlog. Make sure you leave a like, rating, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at the weather. Look at the weather. At 6 PM for the next day vlog. So much love and a strong dark eyebrow. Adios.